Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about how to access mainframe in your personal laptop or personal PC, okay, like personal computer. And for that purpose, I'll share you those links in the description. You guys can click on that and let's follow the process. First of all, uh, I'll give you those links in the description. Just follow those links, okay. First of all, we have to register with IBM. Okay, first of all, we have to register with IBM, and after that, we have to download that software. Okay, first of all, open this link, copy this, and paste it in the Chrome. And already open for you, so I'm not pasting it again. And after pasting it in the Chrome, you will get this. You will get this page, and right now you have to type your personal information, not any organization information, like your first name and your last name and your personal email address. Okay, personal means your personal, not any office mail or like that. Only your personal mail address, and you will get a IP address and mainframe ID in 24 hours. Okay, okay. There is, I mean, you will get ID and password in 24 hours, and there is a common password for everyone. Like for maximum people, there is a common password. They will send you in the mail with that IP address. Okay, and the country you can select. India, everything you can select this. You can type anything like YouTube or the anything. So um, and after that, I have to keep school, and you can type your higher graduation, like your college name. Don't type any organization name because it is not good for them. Like so, you can type school. Then you can log in as a student access. Okay, for that purpose, you will get. I'll give you and one more username and password later. You can guys ask me in the comment section. I'll share those username and password. Then it won't expire till 6 months. Okay, so and next we'll see after giving your first name, last name, email address, and another like confirm email address and the country. And after this, if you register, then click on this acknowledgement terms and conditions and submit this form, and you will get a mail from the jets like IBM in 24 hours. And after that, what you have to do in before this time, you have to open those second link. This is the second link. This is the second link. This is the software to get access from mainframe. It is like a Vista software. It is a famous software to get access from mainframe, and what allow will open. Yeah, we can open, and you can see right. This is the like click for Vista V1.27 November 12 like this. And you guys can click on this, and it will download. Okay, already I downloaded that. Um, that's why I'm not downloading, not downloading it again. But wait, for you, I'm showing it. I think you guys know how to install and everything, how to install a software, and you guys know that. If you guys facing any issue, then text me in the comment section, and I'll reply back. So don't worry. If you guys have any problem, just ping me. And after clicking, it will ask me like this, and after this, yes, I'm already software downloaded, so that's why I'm not um, doing any further process. After that, it will install like this. I mean, wait, I'll show how many files you will get. Okay, after installing, you will get these all files. Okay, and last one is the standard session Vista TN3270 standard session. Okay, so after this, I already paste a shortcut in the desktop for you. So I'm opening it directly. And for you, before opening, you have to click, standard files, and you have to give new IP address. Host IP address, you have to type it here. and port number. Got it? This IP address and this port number you will get in your mail, in your Gmail, personal Gmail, that's sent by the IBM. Okay. For me, like a 192.86.32.250 and 623. This is the port number. And after typing it, you guys directly click on connect. Okay, it's connected. And right now, we have to enter by, it is like a ZOS. Right now, from 2000s, we are using this ZOS operating system. uh, right now mainframes is what is the main purpose of mainframes is like business applications, like financial sector. Where is the financial sector? This mainframe will play key role in this between. Okay. And ZOS means like a zero downtime operating system. Right now our ATMs and banking sectors, everything is working on this ZOS. So mainframe is very very important right now. It is like a cloud. Before cloud is it is a base and it is a old technology. Um, it founded in 1960 like that. So okay, let's start. How to log on to your mainframe. Right now you have to enter log on and your ID. It's my ID. Like if you guys okay, I'll say that step by step. And first of all, you have to type log on, press enter, and it will ask your user ID. That user ID will send by IBM in your personal mail. For me, it's J92369. Okay, and after that, if it is your first, if it is a first time login, it is our maximum. Like for many people, it is Z Cobol. Okay, Z Cobol. I'll show it here. Okay, I'll show them. I'll give you in the text format in the video. Okay, Z Cobol. But later, I changed my password. Okay, that's why I'm not showing it here. After typing your ID and password, it will connect to your mainframe. And after that, press enter. Again, press enter. And look at that. Under the left corner, it is showing X system. X system means it is background. It is no working process. So don't type any keys or don't do anything. Okay. So go slow and wait. Be patient. It will take some time to do that. Okay. And this is the ISPF primary option menu. And we guys right now in the mainframe interface first page, like ISPF primary option page. Okay guys, and I'll show that password here. I'll show the password here, like Jed Cobal for many people. Okay, it is a password for your ID, and you can see that a password. Maybe the that IBM mainframe IBM maybe sent to you in the mail, or else you can type this password to your ID. Okay, if you guys have any facing any issue, then please text me in the comment section. And I need your support guys, completely I need your support. Uh, from next week, from next Monday, we are doing that complete mainframe course, like how to and everything, like from starting to ending, till how much I know. I completely do that course in very simple and short manner and very understanding manner. Okay, so you guys can subscribe if you like this video. Subscribe it and please share. Like right now, my colleagues and my friends, so many people are right now in the mainframe server, and they also don't know so many things. So we guys, as a team, what we are doing, like as a team, we formed and we are helping so many people about this mainframe. Okay, so guys, subscribe and you will get so many notifications. So please uh, click on the bell and this is my first video guys. So uh, if you guys face any like any issues, you guys suggest me in the comment section. Like Venkatesh, you can change this, you can change this, like that. Okay, so we have to rectify those errors from mistakes only, right? So you can see our mistakes. Thank you guys. Bye bye.